The Amalfi Coast is beautiful. Nobody is denying that. But what if I told you there are coastal towns across Europe with the same jaw-dropping views, colorful cliffside villages, crystal clear water, and incredible food, without the crowds, traffic jams, or sky-high prices? Today, I'm revealing 10 hidden European coastal towns that many travelers say are actually better than the Amalfi Coast. And stay until the end because the number one destination feels like a secret Mediterranean paradise that most tourists have never even heard of. If you've ever dreamed of sipping coffee overlooking turquoise water, wandering through charming old towns, and enjoying fresh seafood without emptying your bank account, this video is for you. Let's begin. Number 10, Rovinj, Croatia. Located on Croatia's stunning Istrian peninsula, Rovinj looks like something straight from a postcard. Colorful buildings rise directly from the sea. Narrow cobblestone streets twist through the old town. And the sunsets here are simply unforgettable. Unlike the Amalfi Coast, accommodation and dining are significantly more affordable. You can enjoy waterfront restaurants, island-hopping excursions, and stunning Adriatic views without luxury-level prices. Number 9, Cascais, Portugal. Just outside Lisbon lies the beautiful coastal town of Cascais. Once a royal retreat, Cascais combines elegant architecture with relaxed beach town charm. You'll find beautiful beaches, fresh seafood, oceanfront promenades, and excellent train connections. Many travelers use Cascais as a base while spending far less than they would on Italy's famous coastlines. Number 8, Parga, Greece. Nestled along Greece's western coastline, Parga remains one of Europe's best-kept secrets. Colorful houses climb the hillside. A Venetian castle overlooks the bay. And crystal-clear water surrounds the town. The atmosphere feels authentic and laid back compared to many overcrowded Mediterranean destinations. Best of all, prices remain surprisingly reasonable. Number 7, Collioure, France. When people think of French coastal destinations, they often focus on the expensive Riviera. But Collioure offers a more authentic alternative. Located near the Spanish border, this artistic seaside town inspired famous painters for generations. Expect colorful streets, excellent seafood, historic architecture, and far fewer crowds than the French Riviera. Number 6, Kotor, Montenegro. Many travelers compare Kotor to a miniature fjord surrounded by medieval beauty. Massive mountains rise directly from the bay. Ancient walls surround the old town. And the scenery feels almost unreal. Despite growing popularity, Kotor still offers incredible value compared to many Western European destinations. The views alone are worth the trip. Number 5, Nafplio, Greece. Often overlooked by international tourists, Nafplio is one of Greece's most charming destinations. Elegant Venetian architecture, waterfront cafes, historic fortresses, and a relaxed atmosphere make it perfect for travelers seeking beauty without overwhelming crowds. Many visitors arrive for a day and wish they had stayed much longer. Number 4, Cefalù, Sicily. While technically part of Italy, Cefalù offers a very different experience from the Amalfi Coast. Golden beaches stretch beside a historic old town. A dramatic mountain dominates the skyline. And food prices are often more affordable than those found along Italy's most famous coastlines. Many travelers consider Cefalù one of Sicily's greatest hidden gems. Number 3, Altea, Spain. The whitewashed town of Altea is often overshadowed by larger Spanish resort destinations. That's exactly why it's so special. The old town is filled with narrow streets, flower-covered balconies, and spectacular sea views. The atmosphere feels peaceful and authentic. And compared to many Mediterranean hotspots, your money goes much further. Number 2, Syros, Greece. Everyone knows Santorini. Everyone knows Mykonos. But few travelers visit Syros. This beautiful Greek island offers stunning beaches, elegant architecture, local culture, and significantly lower prices. Instead of fighting crowds for the perfect photo, you can actually enjoy the destination. For many travelers, that's priceless. Number 1. Ulcinj, Montenegro. If you're looking for Europe's next hidden coastal superstar, look no further than Ulcinj. This destination combines beautiful beaches, historic old town charm, Mediterranean scenery, affordable accommodation, excellent seafood, and a fraction of the crowds found in Italy's most famous coastal destinations. The atmosphere feels authentic, relaxed, and refreshingly undiscovered. Many travel experts believe destinations like Ulcinj represent the future of European coastal travel. And once you see it, you'll understand why. Why these towns are winning over travelers. The Amalfi Coast remains stunning. But many travelers are increasingly seeking destinations that offer lower prices, fewer crowds, more authentic experiences, and better value for money. These hidden coastal towns deliver exactly that. You can spend less, stay longer, and often enjoy a much richer travel experience. Which of these hidden coastal towns would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you know another amazing European coastal gem that deserves a place on this list, share it with fellow travelers. Before you plan your next trip, try the AI travel planner at travelmateguide.com and discover personalized itineraries, hidden gems, and smarter ways to travel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel guides, hidden destinations, and budget travel inspiration from TravelMate Guide TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.